If you're launching an exciting new service or product, you may decide to give some of your clients a sneak peek of what you've got coming up. However, using this phrase can be tricky and often we see mistakes with it. So let's take a look at why that happens and what you can do to make sure that your sneak peek is the right one. The main reason that people make a mistake with sneak peek is because they assume that because it rhymes that it's spelt the same way, and that sneak and peek both have EA in them. This isn't the case. Peek with an A is a mountain and peek with two E's is a quick glance. What you don't want to offer somebody is a sneaky mountain tiptoeing up behind them. You want them to see a quick peek with their eyes. So my tip to you for getting this correct is to remember that peek using an A is a mountain and peek using two E's is a quick glance with your eyes. And that's it. If you'd like to read the blog associated with this video, check out the description for the link, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more worry-free writing chat. See you soon!